Okay.
Firstly, we need to install an app on the side from NVAS. We open the app and we need to add the device into the app. We press the plus and we use the smart scan. We choose the network we are using and we input the Wi-Fi password. Next, there will be a QR code. We use the IPC to scan the QR code. Firstly, we need a pen to press into the hole under the IPC. Then we started to scan. About 20 seconds later, we will hear a sound. After the sound, we press Hurt.
Okay.
Then we can discover two new devices. We choose the one we have. You can see it's 1314228. Right? Then we input the device name. We can input anything, for example, GH, and we input the device password. You can see the password is 123. See? Then we just press it. We can into the movie, real-time movie. On that. If we want to add a sensor, for example, if we want to add a remote control, we press the name, there will be setting. We choose the alarm setting and area code, remote control. We press this one and click the end button. Then code successful. We come back. Disarm. Then we can continue to add another sensors. Alarm setting, code area, for example, window. Press this. Okay. To trigger the sensor. Okay, down. And we can continue to add the PIR detector. We choose Hall. Okay. Then we trigger the PIR detector. Okay, it's down. Then we will test. Okay, we need to set the alarm setting. Receive the alarm message. Okay, we arm and we trigger the door sensor. We receive the message. It's on. Then we will test the PIR detector. Rearm. Okay.